it's your boy Killer Snake here, back with another video. Today, before we start this video, I have some things to tell you guys, some announcements. First thing is, later today, a Pembroke Pines video is going up. So if you guys been wanting some Pembroke Pines, you're getting it today. You're getting uploading two videos today, as well as the Greenville roleplay is coming. On the next episode of the Greenville roleplay is coming very soon. Also, the first ever episode of the Pembroke Pines roleplay is also going to be coming very soon. Hopefully, guys. So if everything goes planned, should come soon as well. I am bringing a new game to the channel very soon. That is also coming very soon. So if you guys, a nice little mix-up new game that's coming to the channel. So other than that, let's get right into the video. So today we're doing another Greenville SUV review, because we're not reviewing a car, so we are reviewing an SUV, and that is the Honda Pilot. Oh my god, who's this? You too. I'm sorry, people getting. So again, we're reviewing the Honda Pilot here, guys. Again today, this is the 2016 Honda Pilot. Oh, it's the 2015 for a second. This is the 2016 Honda Pilot. This amazing SUV will cost you in the game about $37,000. If you guys do a nice SUV that's cheap, or if you guys want a nice SUV and you guys like Honda, this is the SUV that Honda has. That's in Greenville. Gotta say, it's nice. It is really nice. Now, you can fit up to, I believe, 4 people, but it could actually no. This thing can fit 6 people. All right, it can fit 6 people. That's pretty nice. It's pretty good. Oh. Oh, okay. We got new neighbors, guys. We got new neighbors. The Honda Pilot looks so good. I'm sorry, this guy came out to me. I didn't want to be rude. So, oh my gosh, wow. Whoa, you guys are getting a Greenville car review video and a house tour video, because he wants me to tour his house. Oh my gosh. We're getting a house tour, guys. Alright. Nice. Alright, get the garage. You got a nice car. You got a Chevy Cruze. I forgot. No, it's not Chevy. I forgot what it's called. It's nice, man. It's nice. Nice. The laundry room. All right. alright, bathroom. I got you. I know, guys, we're getting a house tour video. Cool, right? Alright, bedroom. Nice. I see you up in here. So I know this is a review video, guys, but hey, it's nice to interact with players, other players and stuff. This is part of the review video. Okay. Oh crap. Where'd he go? Oh no, you got. Oh, this is kind of like my house. My house has like a couple bedrooms. House that me and my bro live in. You guys know Tyler, the guy. We do role play videos together. You know, he's my bro. So yeah. And this must be their car. Oops, nice car. Yeah, news car should be cruise. Alright, so back to this video, back to this car. So we're talking about this vehicle looks very detailed. It really looks amazing. So we're gonna get in and drive it around so you guys can see how it drives. Hopefully this guy don't try to steal my. Okay, let's get in the thing. I'm gonna go manual, and so you guys can hear the engine rev. This is the best sounding SUV hands down. You can hear that? Put it back up here, turn the lights on. Does it light the light? This vehicle also, I believe it has it. This vehicle has the turning signal on the mirror, which again, to you guys may be like, who cares, dude? But for me, that's like awesome. Let's talk about how this thing drives. So this thing drives very well. This thing is very responsive. It really responds to what you want it to do. It has amazing brakes. Now when it comes to top speed though, this thing is one of the slowest SUVs when it comes to in terms of top speed. Acceleration, this thing is pretty fast. I'll say look, maybe almost as fast as the Lexus. This thing is really fast. It can corner on a dime. It can turn on a dime. This thing can turn and stop on a dime. I mean, it's amazing. And it can fit 6 people. So if you guys are going on a road trip in the game, this is perfect for that. It's fun. It looks cool. It sounds like a muscle car. It fits 6 people, and it's quite fast for an SUV too. See if we can get a rev start. This vehicle is not as fast as the Lexus. I would say right up. Like it's not as fast as the Lexus. I'd say it's close to the Lexus. It's not as fast. It's more sluggish. But I say this vehicle is heavier than the Lexus as well. But this thing would do quite well, and it looks like we're being followed. Great. He does follow me. This thing top speed is not very high. It's like 100 miles an hour, 101 miles per hour. Turn back in here. This thing handling is so good, it's unbelievable. It truly is. I mean, I'm blown away. So I think, I think it'd be best idea to, now before we end this video, I'm gonna change the color of this thing to like a tannish color, and oh, that looks so much better. I like that color. All right. So what do I think? Now, final thoughts. Like, do I think you guys should get this vehicle in the game or pass? I think this is another must-buy SUV in the game. You guys should definitely buy it. I promise you guys should love it. I promise you'll love it. I loved it. I promise you guys. It can fit 6 people. Sounds great. Sounds amazing for an SUV, to be honest. Sounds like a muscle car, but that's okay. But again, this vehicle. So again, if you guys stick through the whole video, again, this vehicle is $37,000. It is not. I'm gonna repeat. This is not a luxury pass car. This is a regular vehicle, so you don't need a game pass to get this. You just need the money in the game, and you in-game money, and you can get it. Right now, actually, no, never mind. I think this is a luxury car pass. I'm not sure. It's one of the two. I don't believe it is, but hey, it might be. But so yeah, this vehicle is really nice. Now, again, it's a must-buy. Fits 6 people. Has the turning signals on the mirror itself. This is really good for road trips. Really feel efficient. Again, it's not the fastest SUV though, so don't, you know what I mean? Like, I don't expect it to be really, really, really fast because it's not meant for that. It's not built for that. But yeah, so if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe if not already. Make sure you guys comment on the video, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.